Our next model on brasstrains.com is item number 044272. It's a Canadian National 482, road number 6060. This is a U-1f bullet nose Betty. Comes to us from PFM Van Hobbies. It's part of a 1976 run. There is a decal set included. It has a can motor, no lights, and no back head or in-cab detail. And this model does short on straightaways and turns, as you'll see. Actually just running it a little faster right now just to get through some of the shorts. And this is available on brasstrains.com. The item number is 044272.